nice little police escort. We got a rollover. If you guys are familiar with my channel, you'll know I did a couple months ago, maybe, I forgot, not too long ago, a rollover with a loaded container, tractor with the container under a bridge, where I had to use big flipper, and I was like at 20 degrees, 25 degrees, very difficult job. Well, we got one in the same spot, New Dock Street, on ramp to the 103/47. I've got one of my heavy drivers already on scene, and I will be pulling up in Hulk. And I got David Big Flipper right behind me. Let me get to the side of it and walk around and show you guys what's going on. You gotta stay safe with that coronavirus. Oh, I got putty. Brand new thing.
No, it's from the cap. I tightened it, but he won't.
I'll put putty around it, a seal. Now I see what you mean by Jonas. This is the one where we have to split it.
Yeah. Oh, okay. Yeah, when he says...
Yeah, I use big flipper, okay. Let me do a quick walk around. The locks are intact. There's no seal. Oh yeah, there is. 20-footer. Oh yeah, that's loaded. Let me check these locks. I can't tell. Yeah. Oh, that's heavy, bro.
Yeah, I know.
So I'm gonna bring up the whole thing as one then. You'll spike it and catch it from the front like always. We'll set you up.
Okay. Okay, let me know here.
Dave will get it from the rear and I'll get it from right here.
So, me?
You'll get it from the front.
Yeah. Guide me over here.
All right, let's back you up, Hector. Is that the driver right there looking at us?
Yeah.
Hello. Poor guy. So Hector's gonna back up to it right here. I'm gonna put a snatch block down at his bottom and a chain here to spike it. What we call in the industry as a spike, a low pull spike, to low sheave it. And as he does that, he doesn't have the pins in here. I'm gonna put a strap up top on the rim to catch it so it doesn't slam over. As you guys know, I'm a freak with that stuff. That's enough of a walk around. I got my game plan. Let me get back to you guys when oh, never mind, I thought that was Dave. Get back to you guys right now when I got the trucks in position, and then we'll start rigging. All right, so I just talked to the customer. That's my account right there. He wants to do it where we flip it and then put it on a Landoll. He says that it's shifted, it's tile, and the way it's stacked, he knows for sure it's going to be shifted. He doesn't want to risk it. So whatever the customer wants, you know, I'll get you a Landoll. Worry about bringing it back up right first though. Oh, you look amazing. You know what? I got my drone. While my guys set up all the outriggers and stuff, I'm gonna set that thing up in the sky. Okay, let me show you guys what I'm doing. I got my truck parked exactly the way I want it. Here's my rear outrigger. I want the tires on the chassis to land right before. Don't want them to land on the outrigger. Same thing with the front outrigger and my landing gear. So as I bring it over, it's gonna land right here. Now what I'm gonna do is use my container links, which I got right here. 2 of them. I'll go around in a bit. I'm gonna get from the top and the bottom pocket. So what that's gonna do is use both of my lines, one on each one, to bring it over at the same time. And once it reaches a tipping point, this one on the top now becomes the catch. All right, guys, I got my container links up on top. If you guys are in the industry and don't have a set of container links, man, you're doing yourself a disservice. Bam. Set the brakes, Joe?
Yeah, I said you didn't hear myself.
Yeah, that was that, okay. Drive shaft removed. Container link set. Now I just gotta do Dave's on this end. These ones are BA. I know Van Lingen has tested these for them, and I don't know how many hundreds they did, but these things hold up. It's the really only way to do containers, man. It's my favorite method now. And that's coming from someone that used to use chain. We'll just get this set up, and then I'm gonna jump back down and see what else is left to do. Oak is ready, so let's go up with the boom. I got it in free spool right now. I'm at 20 degrees. I will be going to 45 on. Oh, you know what? No, I gotta be. Let's go to 30. We ready? Where do you want to stand at? Okay. You ready, Joe?
Yeah.
All right, man. As always, follow our lead.
No, I think I might get on that side better.
Hold it there. Let me get on the. You stand here. I'll get on the other side. Ready? All right, let's go. Man, that is heavy. Look what it's doing with the side. That's heavy.
That's heavy, dude.
Look at the side.
I know.
It's pushing it out as we're coming up. Did they tell you the weight?
No, but it's tile.
That sucker's heavy.
Tile.
Very nice, very smooth. Okay, now I only focus on the blue cable. Right? Okay, hold it! They got it? Good? Okay, make sure they're out of the way now. Ready, Joe? If it still spills, we'll use my absorbent from top.
Do it.
All right, once we start tugging, Joe, you'll catch it, okay? Do it from this side. Ready? See, as I'm going in with the blue line now, which is this one, I gotta make sure to go out with the white one proportionately so I don't snag it or hold myself up. How's my truck, Dave?
Good. Good.
Now you get to the point where it's almost good. I was saying you get to the point where it's almost all catch.
Go up.
Keep my leg tight. Okay, good. Let me push it out a little. So Dave's giving me the single to boom in, which I will. Gotta keep my catch and my lift tight as I do that.
Hey, why don't we put it on a low boy?
They want to.
Huh?
They want to.
You called for the low boy already?
No, but let me talk to George. It's his call.
Shift it.
Yeah, that's bad. You want to come here? That's a good shift. Oh, and just to show you guys, check this out. Gotta see the end from the beginning. Exactly where I wanted everything to land. Let me talk to the owner right now. Let's see what he wants to do.
That's a bad mother.
Thank you, bro. All right, so while I Hector, hold up. Dave and I are gonna push it out, since we're gonna have to put the load. I just talked to the owner. He wants us to put this on a Landoll because it's shifted. He doesn't want it on the chassis. So look at this. We are gonna push it over. Oh yeah, heck yeah. Good? That's pretty much all day right there, big flipper. So let me tug on my white some more to get this in. We good? Let me do mine a little bit more too. That's the
47.
But where? From where?
That side's Wilmington. That goes to Anaheim on that end.
I see them going this way.
So you'll hit Anaheim.
So how can we get on from here?
Straight up.
Because like if we have a low boy come, he can come in through there and back up on the off ramp.
Yeah.
Oh.
Yeah, you have a lot of room with this side.
No, you can't because
Well, right here, look at what's.
yeah. That's
Oh, yeah, right here. You can get on right here on the 47. Right here.
Yeah, just the way you just come down.
Let me just back up. No, so we're gonna have to lift it in the air so it's bigger. Okay, guys, we got it upright. Well, obviously. And I spoke to the owner. What he wants to do. Let me just do this from down here. What he wants to do is put it on the Landoll. So I'm bringing one from my shop. Let me show you how bad the load shifted, and he doesn't want to open it, and we're not going to fix it. It's tile, so you can't really counterlean something like this. All that would do is just crush it up and break it all. I'll show you what the side of this thing looks like. Woo! Can you even really see from this angle? Try to drop the lower. Yeah, you could tell. That thing is completely... Oh, shut up. Warning sensors. So that's that. We got habanero in the front that's gonna hook up to the tractor and take that in the chassis. While Hulk and Big Flipper remain attached to the container, we'll split the locks, lift up, and that's Joe's cue to leave. Take it back to the customer's yard. Then when my Landoll gets in, we'll go back up. Alright, so Dave's explaining to Rudy in the Landoll to just back up all the way. Don't worry about getting it straight. That's what we're for. Easy killer. up, Rudy? Let me get my remote. Hey, Dave. As you go down, I rotate this way. Sweet. Let me put on my control. As Dave goes down, I'm gonna rotate. Good, hold it. Right here's good, right? I like this.
Get it in the window.
Oh yeah. So let's see, let me let out on my blue. White, blue, white, blue. Presto! Heck yeah, dude. Tractor trailer blocking? Yeah, and we got a lowboy CHP too.
Where?
I don't know for who, but Eddie's gonna handle it. And another job well done. Time to remove my hooks. Let me do the same for Dave. And then it's out of here. Hope you guys enjoy this cool little video. Peace out.